This surprisingly enjoyable tail knot is the Rosebud, number 20 in the top 50 knots. Throw our sunflower tail tie over your neck with the blade on the right. Make the blade slightly shorter than your belt. Dimple the blade and create the neck loop by taking the tail over the blade. Take the tail up through the neck loop and then to the left. Take the tail behind the knot and then down through the neck loop, also to the left. Create the front loop by taking the tail in front of the knot, then up through the neck loop. Finish the tail Windsor by taking the tail down through the front loop and tightening. Fold the tail in half with the ends towards the right. Create the first petal by taking the folded tail down through the neck loop. Create the second petal by taking the folded tail in front of the knot and then down through the neck loop. Cinch the knot by holding the blade and pushing up on the knot. Finish the knot with the final petal by taking the folded tail in front of the second petal and then down through the neck loop. Tuck the remaining tail. Shape. Voila! That is the Rosebud knot. There are a lot of tail knots I do not like. This is an exception. I could even see myself wearing this on Easter morning or to a spring wedding or maybe even the Rose Bowl. There's something about flowers that goes great with suits. If you found you didn't have enough length in the tail, check out our tail ties, which are specifically designed for tail knots. Let me know in the comments where you would wear this tie. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and learn some more new interesting knots. As always, gentlemen wise, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.